Good afternoon to everybody. Today we speak about week number 3, partial 3, for night year. Okay, my dear students, today we speak about with all holidays with the topic the frequent adverbs. Señores estudiantes, buenas tardes. Vamos a trabajar en la ficha número 3. Por favor, ponga atención para que pueda desarrollarlo. Usted va a pasar todo a mano, no impreso, por favor. Todos los ejercicios son a mano. Topic. Va a copiar desde el tema. Los datos personales. Topic. With all holidays. The below activities. Class word number 3. Take the following paragraph as an example. Make sure on the focus on the adverbs of frequency that are underlined. My favorite holiday is Carnival because I always play fun games with my family. I am never alone during Carnival. We usually visit Guaranda during this holiday. My family and I often play Carnival by throwing carioca with this colored foam at each other. We never use the wastewater. However, the carioca is bad for the environment, so we don't use a lot. First, we highlight the adverbs of frequency. You have always, never, usually, often, and never. Ok. Va a subrayar y a pasar la lectura a mano, por favor. Adverbs of frequency. It you indicate what frequencies you do the activities. Indica la frecuencia con la que usted realiza las cosas. Tiene always, usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never. This is the present of the frequency. Always, siempre, usually, usualmente, frequently, conscientemente, ocasionalmente, algunas veces, rara vez, lo que significa los periodos de frecuencia. Be carefully. When you use the verb to be, am, is, or are, the verb frequency is before. And when you use action verb, the verb is after. Okay? Remember, the adverbs of frequency demonstrate that frequency that you do the activities. Okay? Please copy this grammar chart and do the exercise. Number 1. Rewrite the sentence. Use the adverbs of frequency in brackets. Vamos a escribir otra vez las oraciones y va a escribir a poner en el lugar que le corresponde los adverbios de frecuencia. Recuerde que si está utilizando el verbo to be, el adverbio de frecuencia va después del verbo to be. Y si utiliza un action verb, el verbo va antes. Vamos a hacer aquí el primer ejemplo. Mire, I'm late for school in the morning. Al utilizar el adverbio de frecuencia, it's a verb to be. You write, I'm rarely late for school in the morning. ¿Ya? Ha utilizado el adverbio de frecuencia. Vamos con el siguiente ejemplo. Occasionally. Y está con un verbo. Action verb. Ponemos lo siguiente. Sam goes. Cuando utilizamos el action verb, recuerde que va antes. Occasionally goes out with his friends. ¿Ya? Tiene que observar si es verbo to be o es action verb para que ponga antes o después, de acuerdo a lo que le corresponda. ¿Ya? Vemos answer. Usted realiza la acción lesson C, lesson D, or sentence E. Quedaría and surf on the net in the evening. Nos queda de la siguiente manera. and usually surf the net in the evening. The next, my best friend takes photos at the school. The sentence is, my best friend never takes photos at school. And the last is, they are at home in the evening. Como está después, entonces después le ponemos aquí, I am often at home in the evening. Okay, so aquí, put the words in the correct order. Aquí vamos nosotros a ordenar las oraciones. Como la primera es pregunta, how often do you go at the restaurant? How often do you go to restaurant? How often do you go to restaurant? Ya vamos a la siguiente. Me queda she is sometimes late. A la siguiente. How often do you go out in the evenings? Tenemos a la siguiente. No se olvide, como aquí hay un action verb, me queda de la siguiente manera. I never get up early on Saturdays. Y la última, I usually had breakfast at 9 o'clock. Homework number 2. Read carefully and underline the frequent verbs. Vamos a leer y a subrayar los adverbios de frecuencia. Hi, my name is Emma. I am 10 years old. I am in English. I live with my family in Brightcote, in the south of England. My day usually starts quite early. I always get up at 7:30 on weekdays. But on the weekends, I sleep an hour and a half longer. When I get up, I go to the bathroom first. I wash my face and wake up, brush my teeth, and then I have a shower. After that, I comb my hair and get dressed. I usually wear casual clothes, mainly jeans, shorts, t-shirts, and trainers. I always have a breakfast with my mom and little brother, Tommy. My dad never has breakfast with us because he starts work early on weekends. I usually have a bowl of cornflakes with hot milk and toast with marmalade. Before I go to school, I have to walk our dog Leo. I usually walk to school because I don't live very far. Classes start at 8:30. I like maths, but I am also good at science and English. I have 2 breaks at 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock. I eat sandwich and drink an orange juice. I also play with my classmates in the playground. School finishes at 3:30, and my dad picks me. We come back home by a car. Then we have lunch together. After lunch, I play with my brother, and while and then I do my homework and study. Twice a week. También es un adverbio de frecuencia. I have basketball practice. I love doing sports. Before I dinner, I sometimes meet my friends or watch TV quiz. I seldom play computer game. I simply find them boring. We have dinner at 30 p.m. and I often sit at the table. After dinner, I read a book and surf on the internet for a while. At night here, I go to the bathroom to have a shower, brush my teeth, and put on my night dress. Before I go to sleep, listen music on MP3 player because it makes me relax. Después de eso, usted aquí va a copiar los adverbios que subrayamos. Les enlista aquí, por favor. 3. Answer the question about Emma. How old is Emma? Where does she live? How many brothers and sisters has she got? What kind of clothes does she like? What does she have for breakfast? ¿Cuántos años tiene Emma? ¿Dónde vive ella? ¿Cuántos hermanos y hermanas tiene? ¿Qué tipo de ropa le gusta? ¿Qué ella se sirve por desayuno? Aquí lo mismo que hicimos en el ejercicio anterior, va a poner en orden. Las oraciones tomen en cuenta los adverbios de frecuencia, por favor. El trabajo tiene que ser realizado a mano. La lectura igual tiene que pasar a mano y tiene que subrayar los verbos de frecuencia. Muchas gracias, chicos. Buenas tardes.